Last day of the NBA season na lang, madami pang nangyari. Let's unpack the big winners and losers. Biggest winners, the new champion OKC Thunder. Unfortunate na na-injure si Haliburton sa Game 7 but deserving ang young Thunder as the new champs. They displayed that dominant defense all season and the poise beyond their years. Lalo SGA is just 27, J-Dub is 24, and Chet is 23. Are we seeing a dynasty in the making? Big winner din ang Houston Rockets and Kevin Durant. The Rockets find what they lack, a go-to clutch scorer in Kevin Durant, while Durant gets join a young team that has a system and the talent to contend in the West. Kabahan na ba ang iba? You bet. Biggest loser? Phoenix. Unless they want to form an all-guard lineup, that trade doesn't make sense. May Booker ka na, may Bradley Beal, and then ngayon may Jalen Green. There's some moves in the making pa for the Suns. May mga trades na nangyayari. Sino ang sunod na matitrade tingin mo?